So in this video, you'll learn how to set up call forwarding on your Samsung Galaxy A56. So all you need to do is open the phone app, and then you want to navigate to your call settings. To do that, select keypad, then tap on the three dots in the top right corner and choose settings. In your call settings menu, go to the option Supplementary Services and select it, and then wait for them to load. Once loaded, you should see the option call forwarding, so select it, and then choose voice calls or video calls, and then wait for them to load again. And then once loaded, you should see 4 different categories you can choose when it comes to enabling call forwarding. You have always forward, you have forward when busy, forward when unanswered, and forward when unreachable. So it's up to you to choose which of these instances you'd like to enable call forwarding for. So for example, if you want to enable call forwarding for forward when unreachable, just tap on it like that. And then you want to enter in the phone number that your phone calls are going to be forwarded to. Once you've entered in the phone number, you want to tap on enable and wait for the changes to be loaded. And once loaded, you can now see forward when unreachable is successfully enabled with the phone number right underneath. So again, if you have any other instance that you want to use for call forwarding, you can just tap on it, enter in the phone number, then select enable. And so that's how you can enable or set up call forwarding on your Galaxy A56. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.